Michael Farmer with Equality Florida joins me to talk more about this. Michael, let's start with your reaction to the Supreme Court deciding that they did not want to touch this issue, and they basically sent it back to the states.
Yeah, absolutely. The Supreme Court weighed in today and allowed marriages to begin in 5 states. They're allowing loving couples to get married, and they're sending a clear message to Rick Scott and Pam Bondi that they want this decision to be decided by our state here in Florida.
Yeah, I was going to say 5 states now within hours could allow gay marriages to move forward, and this could impact up to 30 states. We are hearing within the next few days, or if not weeks at least. What impact do you think this is going to have on the state of Florida and gay marriages here?
I think that this removes any doubt that Rick Scott and Pam Bondi are the only people stopping loving and committed couples in Florida from getting married today. They have nothing else that they can hide behind, and they need to immediately drop the appeals and join the other 30 states that are about to get marriage equality and get rid of the shameful ban that is a blur on our state.
Is it frustrating for you knowing that the Supreme Court says we're going to let the states decide, and then you do have Pam Bondi? She has several appeals out there. I know at least 4 state judges and a 5th federal judge have ruled our ban unconstitutional on gay marriage. Is it frustrating to know that this could happen? Gay couples could be getting married if it were not for those appeals?
You know, absolutely. You know, right now Pam Bondi has said that she wanted word from the Supreme Court. This is her word. Now is the time to respond to the Supreme Court and drop the appeals. We have couples who are terminally ill right here in Central Florida that are hoping that they live long enough to have marriage equality in Florida, because it will have a huge impact on the surviving partner's benefits, their property, and they're just hoping to live long enough for Pam Bondi to drop these appeals so that they can get married and have those protections.
Are you guys planning anything, a march maybe outside of, you know, Bondi's office, or anything you're doing now as a result of today's decision by the Supreme Court?
You know, I think right now people should, give Pam Bondi's office a call if they're upset about this and ask her to do what she said she would do and respect the word of the United States Supreme Court and drop this appeal. Rick Scott and Pam Bondi are the only people standing in the way of loving and committed couples marrying in Florida.
Michael Farmer with Equality Florida. We appreciate you coming in. Thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me.